I'm going to tell you how to find your purpose, and also why you probably haven't found it until now, and what you need to do to discover it.
The written world.
In this age of online content, flashing lights, high adrenaline, fast pacing, quick cutaways, instant gratification, this age of digital roulette machines for the dopaminergic multitudes, you feel that something is missing, don't you? What happened to your focus? What happened to your purpose? I'll tell you. It was hijacked, and now you serve another purpose, someone else's. You have come to believe that success is what you have been told it is, and so you watch the glamour and glitz of celebrity or those that occupy the spotlight and want to be just like them, to have what they have. It's as if success comes pre-packaged and formulaic, and if you want to succeed how others have succeeded, you must follow in their footsteps. Monkey see, monkey do. But you're on the wrong path. Ralph Waldo Emerson says, "There is a time in every man's education when he arrives at the conviction that envy is ignorance, that imitation is suicide, that he must take for himself, for better, for worse, as his portion, that though the wide universe is full of good, no kernel of nourishing corn can come to him, but through his toil bestowed on that plot of ground which is given to him to till. Stop tilling other people's plots. The completely unique genetic combination that you have and the absolutely unmatchable world of experiences that makes you who you are, your vision, your outlook, your worldview has never been produced by the universe before, and never will it arise again, for all eternity. Whatever you create, whatever you produce, will be completely distinctive, original, unequaled, as long as you are true to your inner voice." Emerson. The power which resides in him is new in nature, and none but he knows what that is which he can do, nor does he know until he has tried. And how do we know this? Because we are moved by completely different and singular things. And even if you love the same book or the same song or painting as someone else, it is certain that your love of it is for very different reasons. You see something, think something, feel something that is incomparably you. Why don't you trust in that? It is, and you are, a cosmic arising, a phenomenon of nature. And whether you believe in God or not doesn't really matter. For Spinoza and for Einstein, for example, God is nature and nature is God. But whatever your position, whatever you think it is, it calls out to you, and you keep ignoring it. But that inner voice is the gravitational pull calling you towards your purpose. Stop ignoring it. As long as you do, this inner turmoil that you silently suffer will never leave you. Don't be afraid. Listen to the most important thing in your life. Trust in that. Not for nothing, one face, one character, one fact makes much impression on him, and another none. This sculpture in the memory is not without pre-established harmony. The eye was placed where one ray should fall, that it might testify of that particular ray. But we half express ourselves and are ashamed of that divine idea which each of us represents. It may be safely trusted as proportionate and of good issues, so it be faithfully imparted, but God, or the universe, will not have his work made manifest by cowards. He says, "A man is relieved and joyful when he has put his heart into his work and done his best, but what he has said or done otherwise shall give him no peace. It is a deliverance which does not deliver. In the attempt, his genius deserts him. No muse befriends, no invention, no hope. Trust thyself. Every heart vibrates to that iron string."
The written world. Life lessons from literature.